best-selling pack in our lineup is also one of the best-selling packs in the industry. The Kelty Redwing is a winner for so many reasons. It makes a great overnight pack on the trail or a great around town or school pack as well. Some of the features of the Kelty Redwing are, starting at the top lid pocket, great place for your sunglasses, camera, front pocket, organization for whatever you need on the trail, side pockets. There's actually a pass-through behind the pockets if you want to put a fishing rod or skis behind the pockets. Large U-shaped opening. You can either use this as a top loader to get into your gear, or if you unclip the side compression, you can open up the whole pack to get inside. On the front, daisy chain, ice axe loop, side compression, stretch pockets for your water bottle. It's hydration compatible. The Kelty Redwing features our LightBeam suspension, which is a single aluminum stay that transfers all of the load to the hip belt for great carry and good load support. There's a sternum strap to stabilize the load, and our patented forward pull waist belt for comfort and weight transfer. Highly utilitarian, the Redwing has all the features and organization you need for simple travel or an overnight on the trail.